Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show aloo paratha recipe. Actually, aloo paratha is about two things, dough and fillings. So, I will make the dough first. Two cups whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoon ghee, 2 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon gram flour, ajwain half teaspoon, add whole wheat flour, salt to taste, gram flour 2 tablespoon, half teaspoon ajwain, two tablespoon ghee, now mix it. Gradually add water. Done. Dough has to be soft. You can use dough maker or you can knead with your hands. The result will be same. Cover it and rest it for 20 minutes. Two large mashed potatoes, 1 inch grated ginger, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves, salt to taste, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon fennel seeds powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder. Add 2 mashed potatoes in a bowl, 1 inch grated ginger, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves, Salt to taste. Half teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Half teaspoon fennel seeds powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder. Now mix well. Now the most important thing is that the consistency of the filling has to be similar to the consistency of the dough. The filling is ready. Some people add onions in this. If you want, you can add the onions, but immediately use the fillings after adding the onions, because it will start leaving moisture and filling will get spoiled. If you want to keep the paratha or filling for a longer time, then do not add onions. Open the cover. Now my dough is ready. Add 2 teaspoons olive oil on the top of the dough. Now mix well with the dough. Take some dough. Now spread it or flatten it with your fingers. Take some fillings. Now seal it. Don't be shy to add the filling. Sprinkle flour. Then roll out the dough. Now you can see the texture from outside. Filling of aloo paratha is spread evenly. Only if the consistency of the dough is good and the filling is enough, then it will be even. My paratha is ready. In this way, I will make rest of the paratha. Take a pan, spread ghee. The smell of the ghee is amazing. Place the paratha. Fry it over low flame. It is very important. Again I tell you, please fry it over low flame. Now you can see the filling, it is evenly spread all over. Serve with pickles. Yogurt with salt and pepper is compulsory with a paratha. Butter is very much important. The taste is really amazing. I feel good because it is not look like home style, but it is home style. Always serve it with butter, pickle, yogurt with salt and black pepper. It is compulsory. Please like, share, subscribe and press that bell icon next to it. It will just help us to stay in touch. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.